So your question is about someone who has established a relationship with Guru based on surrender, and the Guru has advised him to chant the holy name and giving him some type of initiation or introduction to the holy name, although of course that's not called Diksha by Shastric definition. And the Guru leaves untimely or before the disciple because he's also older, and the disciple doesn't get Diksha, then can he still attain perfection without going on and getting Diksha? Obviously the answer is yes. Yes and no. Yes, he can attain perfection, but it may be very difficult alone. But if he's totally surrendered and he sees that Guru everywhere and he doesn't feel any need or necessity, then he should carry on until further notice, until further prerna, inspiration, inner guidance. Just continue. Krishna will adjust everything. But the example you're giving me is not someone who's not connected. He's connected to Guru. And it was just a matter of time when from that same Guru, that same disciple would receive Diksha and the eternal connection. So connection is made with the acceptance of the Guru and the surrender of the disciple. The connection is made, and then the Diksha mantras. So if he doesn't get Diksha in this life, then next life he'll meet that Guru and get Diksha. It's doubtful alone, without any Guru or higher guidance, that one only having the holy name will attain perfection in one life. Possible, in principle, certainly possible. As I mentioned, the all-powerful holy name. Even one who has Diksha and spent years and years with serving as Guru and Pariyacharya Seva and Prasanga Seva, he also may take many births. It's not easy to go to the kingdom of Prema unless you have Prema. Basically, we don't find many stories to encourage exceptions, but we find many stories to encourage the rule. I have not read anywhere in any shastras about someone who just sat down and chanted and got perfection, which is what you're advocating, without Diksha. So in principle, of course, the power of the holy name and bhakti is possible. But usually we should back everything. Even Lord Chaitanya, he's preaching in Chaitanya Bhagavat and Chaitanya Charitamrita, says Prabhu Kahe, which means Mahaprabhu speaking, his direct words.